Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Redcon1 MRE Real Whole Food Meal Replacement / MRE Mass Gainer. So I have the strawberry shortcake flavor here, and this is a big tub of decent carbohydrates that do not contain whey, which is really cool and different. So this in 4 scoops, which has 25 servings for a tub, it has 525 calories, 4 grams of fat, 250 milligrams of potassium, 200 milligrams of sodium, 75 milligrams of carbohydrates with 8 of this being fiber and 5 of this sugar, and then 47 grams of protein. So that's a lot of protein in one of these mass gainer tubs here. And the ingredients are kind of cool because it doesn't contain whey, like I said earlier. It contains rolled oats, a protein blend of beef protein isolate from bovines, salmon protein, fish, chicken protein, egg albumin, brown rice protein, and pea protein. It also contains dehydrated yam, dehydrated sweet potato, pea starch, coconut water powder, dehydrated blueberry fruit, dehydrated goji fruit, maltodextrin, dextrose, MCT oils, natural and artificial flavors, cellulose gum, sucralose, xanthan gum, and acesulfame K, potassium. So, a lot of stuff going on in here. And the objective of this is the most important fuel you can give your body is real food, especially whole foods. To give your body the best fuel possible, we created the MRE, Meal Ready to Eat. In the military, MREs are rations to give soldiers the nutrients they need to survive on a mission. With MRE, we have given you the fuel you need to repair and recover muscle tissue from the best possible whole food sources. Stop reaching for fast food and reach for whole foods with MRE. MRE's suggested use is to mix with 14 to 16 ounces of water at least once a day. For maximum results, take 1 post-workout and 1 throughout the day to add an additional meal. So yeah, this is pretty much just like a meal replacement. Meal Ready to Eat is what MRE stands for, and it's a meal replacement, so it's actually like a perfect name for a pretty good product. I really like this because it's 47 grams of protein, which is pretty high for like a mass gainer of the sorts, and then all the calories come from like good quality sources, whole foods, yams, and the works. Rolled oats being the #1 ingredient in this, that's cool. We're not getting carbohydrates from crappy sources, we're getting them from actual whole foods, which makes a huge difference compared to a lot of the other stuff out there. So also really cool that this comes with a beef protein isolate. Oh geez, my camera's messing up. Beef protein isolate and chicken protein isolates, those are 2 really good quality protein sources, because for people that are lactose intolerant, they're able to have this without having any issues with digestion. So that's really nice for a lot of people that might not be able to have whey protein. So it's a little bit more accessible. This makes this vegetarian or vegan, any of that. It's got real beef and chicken in it, which I think is cool. So if you're looking for something different, you want to try out like a good quality whole food meal replacement, look no further than MRE by Redcon1. Now I would pretty much consider this a mass gainer because it's got a lot of calories in it, and you'd typically be taking this to put on some muscle, so it's a good quality muscle builder. It's got rolled oats, good quality protein, and all that. So I would rate this, honestly, I would give this a 9 out of 10. It's probably one of the best muscle gainers, mass gainers out there, because it's got so many different good quality ingredients in it, and it's got 47 grams of protein, which is quite high, and that's going to put on some serious muscle. So it's a good mass gainer. Go check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.